this is a high-level picture of what's going on with what I'm trying to design. And in this stream, I'm only interested in basically this little part right here. But the idea is you have a large company, a large enterprise, a retailer perhaps, or we're going to focus on retail, but it could be, some sort of service provider, entertainment company, someone that interacts with customers and probably has multiple systems that customers or users or people interact with. And so in our example here, we just have three different systems that a customer is interacting with. One is home delivery. So they use a website or some sort of mobile app or software or whatever to schedule home delivery of retail products. Think the milkman used to deliver milk to your house. That kind of thing, right? Uber Eats or whatever. Somebody that delivers something to your house. Maybe even through the postal service. Or UPS or whatever. Okay, another system is loyalty program. So this is like when you go to a grocery store and you swipe your card, or you go to a gas station and you swipe your card to earn points, or you go to an airline and you get airline points. You can track those, and you can track your status, and you can use your points to buy perks and things like that. So another system is for the loyalty program. This might be a website. It might be some other integration, whatever. We're mainly interested in the data that this loyalty program is storing, which is a separate database than our home delivery database. But each of these has a piece of our customer's information in it. And there's a piece of it for loyalty and a piece of it for home delivery. And then down here, maybe there's an online store, a .com website or whatever. And that's storing information about our users, their purchase history or preferences or whatever. And the only way we can access that data is through a REST API. So there's a database somewhere, but all we have is a REST API to get it. We don't have direct access to the database. For this one up here, loyalty, again, we don't have direct access, but we do have access to like a nightly CSV export, which is not uncommon. And then what I'm mainly working on is this home, right now anyway, the piece of it I'm working on is we have a home delivery database. It's a MySQL database somewhere. And the only thing we have access to get that data is through Kafka Stream. So a user makes a change to their profile or their home delivery information. It gets updated in MySQL, and we want to automatically let Kafka know that some piece of data changed, and we'll put that in the Kafka Stream. And the idea here is that in our integration platform here, this is our Customer 360 system. We want to be able to get a complete picture of our customer from all the systems in our enterprise. And 3 systems is actually a pretty modest number compared to some Couchbase customers who may have a dozen or more systems, all containing some portion of the user, a piece of the puzzle. And we want to get them all together in one system, Customer 360 system. We just want to sort of copy the data to start with. We're not trying to replace these databases, at least not yet. We want to get a copy to start from. And then we can integrate them all together into one complete, as possible, picture of the customer. So when they want to call in to ask for help, or we want to run some reports to get some insights about users, do some AI, machine learning, and all kinds of interesting things. We have the entire picture of the customer together in one system. And so the first part of that is we're going to subscribe to this Kafka stream and bring in data about the users from that system. So that's kind of where we're going from here. And